Hi, my name is Dina Knudsen and I'm the admissions director at Hepatha Lutheran Church and School. We just recently updated our website with Gradelink and it has been an amazing experience that I wanted to share. We had originally looked at doing a simple landing page to direct our users to the church or the school, and it turned into a whole website update, which was sorely needed. We love our new website. The color scheme is perfect, the layout is easy to navigate, and it's a much quicker path for those looking to get to the church or the school quickly. And our experience with websites has exceeded our expectations. The implementation happened in under a month, and the school has benefited greatly already from the new design and the ease of those visiting our website. We've already had several people use the schedule a tour button. It's just been a great little thing to have on the website, a great feature. The schedule a tour feature and also the quick admissions links, all of the other little informational links on there have been great for users in our community who are trying to compare notes for schools that are on their list as they choose a new program for their little ones. So it's great that they can get on the website and find the information quickly and easily. Our school families, the current school families, really love the new site and the functionality of it, and have reported that it's much easier to find information on this new website. So for me, for someone who is self-taught on WordPress, it's been a much smoother undertaking than I could have ever imagined. Anytime I had a question, I was answered immediately and never once felt as though I was in over my head. The customer service has been unparalleled, literally answering questions into the evening, which is just amazing. So if you are looking into redoing your website, I highly recommend Gradelink. They have been an amazing addition and support and partnership to our mission. So definitely consider Gradelink if you're looking to update your website.